MG Motor has completed 5 years in India, and this was the SUV with which everything began. Yes, the MG Hector. Both the brand and the model has come a long way. It has evolved a lot, and today with us is the latest generation of the MG Hector, and we are going to see that how well is the brand aging in India and how well has the Hector aged. Yes, the car has done over 35,000 kilometers, and we are going to live with it. And we'll be seeing that how well it still performs in the city as well as on the highway, and what are a few limitations on which could it improve. I'm Shubham Porasha, you watching Car Bike 360. Keep following us for all the updates in the Indian car bazaar, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you stay notified with everything that we put out. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. So now let's get talking on how easy it is to live with the MG Hector. और मैं लगभग एक हफ्ते से इस गाड़ी को चला रहा हूँ. The car has done over 35,000 kilometers, almost 36,000, 35,800 to be precise. और city driving की अगर मैं बात करूँ, then despite the size, it's very easy to maneuver because turning radius इसका काफी अच्छा है. And even when you are driving in the city, it's very hassle free and it's very easy to take it out anywhere, to just navigate through the traffic, क्योंकि steering काफी light है at lower speeds, and it keeps you comfortable on the longer go. So even if I am spending longer hours in the traffic, obviously I have the convenience of the automatic transmission, and even the suspension is biased on the softer side, so it keeps me very comfortable. Seats are also nice. These are well bolstered seats. Under thigh support भी अच्छी हैं, and again cushioning is also something that I really like. So yes, on a daily basis, if I am using the Hector for my city runabouts and my commute, वहाँ पर मुझे कुछ भी ज़्यादा परेशानी नज़र आती नहीं है. The good part is that it still gives me that sense of premiumness on the inside, because the cabin, it has been finished very nicely. You get soft touch upholstery here up top on the dashboard, and wherever you are putting your hands frequently, वहाँ पर आपको soft touch upholstery मिल जाती है. And in terms of features, you just can't complain in MG, because yes, you have that in abundance, like this 14-inch touchscreen, again the largest touchscreen that you see in Indian cars, and comes with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Again, you have infinity speakers, so nice sound system you have got there. You have got this nice panoramic sunroof. So features के department में honestly आपको कोई भी complaint नहीं मिलती है. Nice ambient lighting as well. So when in the night, it actually lifts up your mood and feels premium. So उस regard में आपको पैसा वसूल वाली एक feeling तो आती है. But on the other side, when you are on the go on a highway and when you are driving it for a longer hour, there it again keeps you comfortable. लेकिन थोड़े बहुत issues आपको वहाँ पर दिखते हैं. Like the Hector is biased on the comfort side, but that takes a slight toll on the handling part, because the steering feedback, I like it in the city because it's nice, nimble, light, but on the highway when I'm speeding up, it doesn't weigh up very accurately to my liking, and honestly feels slightly vague because there is a fair bit of center lag as well. Now, don't get me wrong, it still does the job, but the point is that it's not engaging to an extent I would have liked to. But what actually compensates for that is the ride quality, because suspension biased on the softer side, undulations काफी अच्छे से ये tackle करती है. So when you are doing nice like triple digit speeds, I'm doing about 105 kilometers per hour, and undulations, I really don't need to take my foot off the throttle, and I can just carry that good speed and just go on. So yes, comfort के मामले में आपको complain नहीं मिलता है. Handling के मामले में, whenever you will be changing lanes, you will have to be a bit careful if you're at higher speeds, and especially when you're cornering the car, आपको वहाँ पर थोड़ी सी गाड़ी धीरे करनी होगी. Typically how an SUV behaves. Now again, because seats are comfortable and cabin is very spacious, the sense of comfort is quite high, so it really scores there. The biggest issue, however, especially with this petrol engine, comes in the fuel economy department, because in the city I generally get around 8 to 10 kilometers per liter. On the highway, when I'm just cruising normally with a light foot on the throttle, I'm getting around 12 kilometers per liter and not more than that. But अगर मैं थोड़ी भी गाड़ी पुश करता हूँ, like this, the fuel economy really drops to 5-6 kilometers per liter, and that will dig a hole in your pocket. Yes, it gets an expensive affair there. So petrol engine, it is a refined engine. It is a nice engine, Pepe engine. It's a 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine mated to this 8-step CVT gearbox. Again, performance wise, I don't have any issue because the gearbox is quick to respond. Overtaking on highway comes easy, and I can speed up and still feels composed and settled on a straight line. But whenever you will be speeding up, it will take a toll on your pocket because fuel economy will drop drastically. And even here, when you will be cruising normally, आपको 12 kilometers per liter से ऊपर की fuel economy real world में नहीं मिलती है. So that's the only major issue with the MG Hector petrol. But if you are a mile muncher, if you travel frequently on highways, और अगर आपकी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कम्यूट सिटी में भी होती है, ज़्यादा दूरी आप तय कर रहे होते हैं, आई थिंक द MG Hector डीजल इज अ बेटर फिट फॉर यू. MG Motor India has completed 5 years in India, and this was the SUV it began its journey with back in 2018. Yes, the MG Hector was the SUV with which everything started. And speaking of the Hector itself, it has come a long way, has evolved quite a bit from where it started its journey. And today we are with the updated generation of the MG Hector. We are living with the car, and we are going to see that how good it performs, and how easy it is to live with, both in the city and when it comes to highway commuting. So all the details coming right in this video as MG completes 5 years in India. Let's see how well the model has been aging. I'm Shubham Parashar. You're watching Carbike 360. Keep following us for all the updates in the Indian car bazaar, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with everything that we put out. See you soon.